In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bundles on Wix. If you're looking to combine products into a single, enticing offer for your customers, you're in the right place. Creating a bundle on Wix is a fantastic way to boost sales and provide more value to your customers. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, we'll utilize the search bar feature to help us locate what we need efficiently. Go ahead and find the search bar, type in the word bundles and press enter. You'll see some options pop up. What you want to do next is click on the one that says bundles. After selecting this option, you'll notice there's an option to either add it to your site or open it. Go ahead and click on add to site. Now, this part is critical. You'll see a prompt for you to agree and add. Before proceeding, ensure that your plan is upgraded. If your account doesn't have the necessary features, Wix requires an upgraded plan to create bundles. Once you've confirmed your plan is up to date, click on Agree and Add. Next up, it's time to dive into creating your very own bundle. Hit that Create Bundle button. It's an exciting moment as you'll now start assembling products that make up your bundle offering. Think about the products you'd like to combine and how they complement each other to create an appealing package for your buyers. Now that you're ready to put everything together, you'll need to select a bundle offer. This includes giving your bundle a memorable and catchy name that describes your offering well. A compelling name can greatly influence the attractiveness of the bundle, so take a moment to brainstorm before finalizing it. With your bundle named, it's time to add products. Consider what makes a good group of products for your customers. The products you choose should work well together and ideally offer your customers some savings. Once you've made your selections, the next step is to add them to your bundle. After assembling and naming your products, you'll see an option to Add Bundle to Cart. Go ahead and click on that. And just like that, you've successfully created a product bundle on Wix. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Selling products as a bundle can greatly increase perceived value and drive more sales, making this a beneficial strategy for your e-commerce site. Thank you for watching, and happy bundling on Wix.